This is Shahul, founder and CEO of Memoneet, here with one another surprise to you, the Sankranti planner and timetable being launched by Memoneet. Okay, so you might have missed the New Year planner, but it's not too late. We understand due to some circumstances you were not able to start and you want to follow the New Year planner desperately, but now you are some days behind, right? That doesn't give a lot of motivation. So one another chance, okay? Opportunity doesn't knock the door twice, but for you now it's knocking the second time. Don't miss this planner and timetable. It's gonna start from Jan 22 to May 3. So still you have time, around 10 days to prepare your mind to start following this planner, right? Cover some stuff that you're weak at, right? Relax yourself, focus yourself to start from Jan 22. So Jan 22 it is. If you're gonna start from Jan 22, leave in the comment box that I'm gonna start following this planner from Jan 22. Okay, so if you're serious, leave a comment. So yeah, so unlike the New Year planner, in New Year planner we are focusing on 36 tests, 26 part test and 10 full length tests, which is also very practical and very good, very important as well. But still in Sankranti planner we have reduced the number of tests to 18. So you'll be writing 8 part tests and 10 full length tests, okay, in 3 months, which is very possible. We understand some students feel 36 tests are high, right? It is possible, but still for some people it's not suitable. So due to that, we understand your pain from Memoneet, we understand your problem. So we are coming with a complete 18 tests, okay? So the game is not over until you take action, okay? So don't worry that you are late, you are behind. Still, you can get into the race and succeed, okay? So give a tough competition. Win or lose is secondary. You need to give a tough competition. So how this planner is designed, right, is very beautiful, okay? So a lot of people who have seen New Year planner must know, but still someone who is new, I'll tell you how it's designed. See, first we have given you the focused chapters for the week. So these chapters are the syllabus of your focused test. The next test you are going to write according to the planner. The test syllabus is this. So now these chapters we take from biology, physics and chemistry and we convert it into daily task. This is where we stand out, guys, because you will know what to do, you will not know how to do it, you will be distracted, you will not know exactly specifically what to do, you will be jumping around from one book to another, one material to another, right, one plant to another, one subject to another, right? Stop all this confusion, okay? Just follow this planner blindly and do what it says. So no more distractions, no more confusions, no more doubts. Just follow this planner. So we have given it to you like daily tasks, okay? For bio and chemistry, you are focusing on NCERT line by line questions, for which you can use Memoneet. I'll show you how to solve NCERT line by line questions using Memoneet later, or you can use any NCERT based question bank and solve it, okay? And for chemistry, we are focusing on NCERT exemplar because, guys, end of the day, people might tell you solve this hard question, solve this, right, like spicy question, hard question. So Neet is never gonna ask you very tough questions. Neet is gonna focus on NCERT and content around NCERT, which is mainly NCERT exemplar. For chemistry, we are following NCERT exemplar, and for physics, PYQs. Very important. Only NTA PYQs important, and if you have time, more PYQs as well of previous years are very important, because you can't crack the mindset of the NTA examiner if you don't solve PYQs. A lot of students tell me, okay, I'm weak in this subject, Okay, how do you tell me that you are weak? Did you solve the PYQs and you were unable to solve it? No, I never solved PYQs. I solved my module MCQs. Then how do you call yourself weak? Because see, when you have to call, okay, I am weak in physics, right? On what basis? If you are weak, if you take PYQs from Neet and if you are even unable to solve them, then you are weak. If you are able to solve the PYQs, then you just need to cover the entire syllabus to solve better questions. That's it. Okay, so solving PYQs is very, very important, and we have given sufficient time to solve PYQs as well. Okay, and the best thing about this is, right, so we cover the before test part, after test part as well. Okay, in this particular planner, the before test part is solving all the NCERT line by line questions, concept building questions from physics. Okay, this you can find in Memoneet, or you can solve from other materials also. Okay, and when you see the test now, basically, so BPT 3 test is the first test for this particular planner. Okay, I'll tell you how to write these tests. Okay, later I'll show it to you in Memoneet app how to write the test of this particular syllabus. Okay, so you see, we give time after the test to review your mistake book and to focus on your weak areas as well. So we have given you the sufficient time. Okay, and we have given you time to do mistake book review and notes review as well. So BPT 3 test will be your first test for Sankranti planner. After that, you do your notes review and you do your mistake book review as well. So very cleverly we have designed this planner that you have to sit down and do this task. You can't escape from this. If you commit to this planner, you need to sit and do your mistake book review. You need to sit and do your notes review and find out where you are weak. It is very, 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 very important. Okay, and one another thing that's very, very interesting with this is, you see, BPT 3 test is the first test, right? The syllabus is BPT 1 plus 2 syllabus. BPT 1 and 2 you don't have to write compulsorily, you write BPT 3. The best thing about this is your next test, which will be BPT 6, right? So the BPT 6 syllabus is gonna be BPT 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So BPT 3 you are writing, 3 syllabus is BPT 1 plus 2 syllabus. Okay, so now when you write BPT 6 test, you are also gonna cover BPT 3 syllabus, which is BPT 1 plus 2 syllabus. So which means that whatever you write one test, the next test is also gonna have your previous test syllabus now. Okay, so now what happens? Revision happens, right, parallelly, and the tasks to do revision also, we have given you time to do revision separately, right? So your previous test, you don't write it and write another new test and forget all the previous test syllabus. That's not gonna happen now. You're gonna keep accumulating. So until BPT 3 syllabus you studied, when you study for BPT 6, you revise BPT 3 syllabus, and when you write BPT 6, questions from BPT 3 syllabus also is gonna be there. And when you write BPT 9, both BPT 3 and BPT 6 syllabus is gonna come in BPT 9. So you keep adding up, you keep building your, right, from basement you keep building, and finally when you go to BPT 24, right, which is your 8th test, you would have covered the entire syllabus. That's the beauty of this planner, guys. It's gonna help you to cover everything. It's gonna help you to revise, it's gonna help you to write tests, it's gonna help you to review your mistakes, analyze your tests, it's gonna help you to do everything. Okay, it also inculcates breaks. When you have to take break, exactly, is also provided. That's where all of you struggle in. Okay, so after you go to BPT 24 test, then you start writing your full length test. Okay, so here BPT 24 is there. After this, you're gonna do all the revision and you're gonna start your FLT 1 by week 11, by April 2. Okay, that week you're gonna start your FLT 1. Okay, so FLT 1 is on April 9. You start preparing for the FLT on April 2, and then the test is on April 9. Then continuously, right, after 3 days again you have FLT 2, and then FLT 3. FLT is full length test, and then you're gonna write 10 full length tests till April 30. Okay, and then May 1 2 you do some revision, and May 4 the most expected schedule date. See, you need to be focused, you need to be structured one way or on the other. You know for yourself that you don't have that discipline. That's why you are starting this late. So don't rely on yourself too much and don't say any excuses. Okay, I will do it myself, and trust this planner blindly, so that you will progress every single day. Because from Jan 22, every single day that you're gonna miss is gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you a lot, and I don't want my students to regret because they have wasted a lot of time. That's why we are taking efforts at finding every single task and every daily task, and we are doing this planner for you. Both Memoneet students who are from Elite batch or who are from Brahmasrta Test series or other students also make use of this. You have some other test series. If you have the test series of the same syllabus that is given, you can follow that. Not a big deal, not a problem. And it's fine, you can write other test series as well, or you skip the test series and just do the task.